Hello everyone, welcome back to SPECTRACS. Today we are going to see program number 4. So it is asking us to print the second largest number. So let us see how to do that. First we have to create two variables, which is the largest and the second. So largest equal to 0, second equal to 0. Now we are going to use the while loop so we can get true, and we are going to ask the number. So a equal to int input. Now I don't want the loop running for ever ending. So if I enter 0, I want the loop to break. If a equal to 0, I want the loop to end and show the answer. So I'll put it as break, and else what it does is, if a is greater than largest, second now will become largest, right? So second will become the largest now, and the largest will become a. Now let us print the output. So print second largest is. Now let's see how this works. So let us enter some numbers, which will be 12, 45, 89, 90, 56, 457, 764. So you can keep on repeating how many entries you want. When you want to stop the entry and find the second largest number, you got to enter 0. So which I have done that. So based on what all the digits I have given as input, my second largest number here will be 457, which is the output.